Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on Teachable account. Changing your email address on Teachable is a straightforward process. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in teachable.com. Once you're inside the main homepage of Teachable, click on the Creator Login button at the top right corner and sign into your account. After you are logged in, go ahead and click on the Settings button from the left-hand side menu from your homepage. Now, go to the Email Address tab and type in the new email address, erasing the current one. After typing in the new email, type in your account's password in the last tab and click on Save Changes. After you type in the new email and save your change, you will receive a confirmation email to your email address that you've just typed in. Open up a new tab and log into your new email inbox. After you open up your email inbox, open the email from Team Teachable where you need to confirm your new email address. Click the Confirm Email button, and soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address for Teachable. Now you have your new email address in the Settings menu, as you can see it on the display. So that's how you easily change email on Teachable. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.